Okay, so I wanted to make a quick video to kind of show how you get back to the links once you are in the at-home part, the at-home learning tile. So this is clever. You see it says Lake Mary Elementary School there, and you scroll down to the at-home learning tile. And then if you notice, if you follow my mouse up here at the top, there's still that clever tab open. So over here, it tells you, we'll click here at kindergarten, first and second grade, and week 1, and then today's date. And it tells you to click on the iReady tile and work and be careful, yada yada. But you try to click there and it doesn't do anything. That's because it's not a link. They're just showing you what the iReady tile looks like. You have to go back to Clever and click on iReady. The reason for this is because Clever is like your login.
Choose a subject.
Oops, sorry, that's super loud. Your login to everything. So once you click on something, once you're logged into Clever, it automatically makes
reading.
it so you don't have to type
reading
anything else in. It won't ask you for a login. So if you go back here, and then the other thing is like journaling, you can just journal any way that you want to. Then Tumble Books, it's the same thing. You just scroll down in Clever until you find like the little tile that you're looking for, and that is how you make the links work from the at-home learning tab. I hope you find this helpful and have a great day.